In this video, you're going to learn how to make a rain gauge to measure rain. What you're going to need is a jar, a ruler, a marker pen, and a wire hanger. This one's optional. So what do you need to do? First, use the ruler to mark in centimetres on the jar. At this point, you have two options. The first one, you can half bury the jar in the ground. It doesn't need to be too deep, but deep enough that it won't get knocked over. Option 2, bend the wire coat hanger around the jar. This bit might be a bit tricky and you might need to use tools, so definitely get an adult's help for this bit. Hang the jar up somewhere secure like a fence or a wall, and whichever method you used, all you need to do is wait for it to rain. If you check on the jar at the same time each day, you can keep track of how much rainfall there is in your area. Take a look at the workbook for the worksheet on tracking rainfall. Print it off and fill it out to track how much rain you get in your garden.